So often there are hybrid systems in place, such as using electronic portable devices, e-tablets, electronic devices, mobile devices. In fact, let me show you this. So essentially, for any kind of data collection, you could use any sort of smartphone or mobile device. Or in fact, I've got, let me show you what I would usually use quite frequently. When you're doing interactions with people, for example, at London institutions where I'd be involved in collecting data, often it's very helpful to use a tablet. So let me just log into this. And essentially, it just is extremely efficient tool to kind of communicate information efficiently. Also, you can actually let people fill in. Let me actually bring up one of the forms that I'd used quite a lot, if I can find it. For example, I mean there's a lot there, but essentially I'm not sure if you can see it. It's very hard to see, but ultimately these are done through a lot of the software that I used, and you can actually formulate surveys and questionnaires and put in stimuli and any sort of cue for that particular individual to engage in, for them to fill in answers and so on and so forth. So ultimately I would use a lot of those tools that also allow efficient data collection, real-time data storage as well, and it just makes it far more efficient and optimal to actually communicate with others, and that would be in-person venues or in any other situation. So I'll close this here, and so in other videos I've also put demonstrations of the other kinds of devices and also the hardware and software tools that I had used quite extensively, and I'll put a link in the description for more information on that.